Hello everybody, my name is Beshoy Morkos. I'm a professor in mechanical engineering here at the University of Georgia. I oversee a lot of our manufacturing activities and I direct the manufacturing living labs here at the university. Price Industries is a core member of our manufacturing living labs, and to have the partnership with a respected and large industry like Price Industries, I think adds a lot of validation and external respect to what we're doing. To have a company and an organization like Price that can come in and give us input and give us suggestions on what we're doing on the research front, on preparing the workforce, on the government and education interface plays such a vital role. You know, it's one thing to do it as academics, but it's another when you're able to bring in an industry leader that can give you some suggestions so you can pivot and work together into solving tomorrow's manufacturing and AI problems.